everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the tutorial for these adorable little dangle earrings using the Unakite pendants and the little beads. And then I use some of the chain and some of the leaves. I think chain goes a long way when you're doing earrings because you want them to be lightweight. If I was to use like some of the 8mm Unakite beads and stuff, I think with these it would be too heavy. So, and I actually did this to match my necklace right here. Let me show you this. I will leave a link below to the tutorial for this gorgeous necklace that I did that matches this. So if you are interested, you can go click the link below to this, but if you want to learn how to make these earrings, then you stay tuned. Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a cute pair of earrings using the Unakite and brass faceted round links from the bargain bead box for August of 2023, the Woodland Whimsy. I already made a necklace and I'm making these to kind of match. So we're going to start out, I'm using the leaf beads here, and I'm using eye pins for these. And then I'll use the head pins. I have 6 head pins, 2 eye pins, 2 ear wires, 2 jump rings, these, and then just a few of the other beads, which you'll see as I start this out. So what I would like to do is just putting the leaf on here. I'm taking my round nose pliers. Now I want this to be like, well, once I, do it, I want the hole to be facing and this hole to be going this way. So when it attaches, it'll be the right way. Okay, so I'm just bending these. I think these are 2 inches long, but I'm not using them. The 2 inches, it's all I have. Cutting that, and taking the round nose pliers. Now, I want it, one second, okay, I will fix it afterwards. So, rounding that up. You can go up a little higher if you want to get the hole right. Now I'm taking, so I want this top one to be this way and this one to be going this way. So that when it's, let me show you, fix that, so that when it's hanging, it's going to hang like this. Let me fix that hole a little bit. I did a little wonky. You see that? Okay. Okay. So there we have that one. So now let's do there. Okay. So we're gonna have, I'm just gonna do this a little easier. Or actually, yeah. Okay. Let me grab this and I'll just bend this to the side. Yeah. Then I'll just cut that little bit right here. And then close this up. Oh, that was pretty wonky there. Should have just did it the other way. Okay. So I'm just going to do it the way I did the other one. It's the easiest way. Okay, so there we have that. Okay. So now we have those two. Now we're going to take the chain. These are just going to be little dangles. They're kind of going to match the front part of the other necklace. So I'm going to take one of the head pins. This is how I measure them. And I'm going to do it to about right there. Okay, so I do this, then I hang it again, bring some of this in. It's twisting around, but it won't when I'm done. And then I just kind of hold it up of where I want it to be. And here's the next one. Okay, so these will be the middle chains. Now we're going to do 4 that are a little shorter. And these are going to be on the side. So we'll do these right here. There we go. So I'm going to put the 2 middle ones right there, and I'm going to do 3 more like this. Two. 3. And 1 more. Oh, these little things are falling everywhere. I'll clean them up in a second. And then we're going to do 4. Okay. So hold them all up and see all 4 of them. That is the easiest way to cut chain. Okay, we're done with the chain now. Let me clean these little pieces up. If you ever gotten one of these stuck in your skin, oh my gosh. Sharp little creatures. Okay, so now we have the 4 small and the 2 long. So let me see, 1, 2, 3. Where is my other one? So I'm gonna do, because I don't, the thing is, because these are earrings, I'm not gonna do them heavy. We don't want heavy ones because it's not good for the earlobes. Okay, so we're gonna do, this will be the middle one. Or no, I'm sorry, the green one is the middle. So I'm doing just a little 11-0 seed bead and then going down. And then I'm gonna bend that. Now these don't really have to hang a certain way because they're kind of dangly, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, so I got this one. I'm gonna do another one. These coin beads and those drop beads are so pretty. I love the sparkle on them. Okay, so now I'm just bending that. Yeah, they're kind of like, whatever, the way they dangle. You know, that's, it's more about the sparkle than it is about, as long as these are facing the right way, the other ones can do their own thing. Oh, okay, so we got one of those. Yeah, I want to make sure the drop bead's hanging the right way. And bend those. Okay, wait a minute here. It's getting out of hand here now. Look at that. What did I just do here? Okay, there we go. That's, as my aunt used to say, that's cagoots. Okay. There. 1. 3 more. Okay. Let's make sure this is a little better when I bend it. There we go. Okay, now let's keep this straight when we bend it, so we're not I know everybody uses different things when they bend back. I like using round nose pliers because I like this, you know, that you can make an actual circle with that. I've seen some people use the other ones, and I don't know, I don't think they work as well. I seem to use my round nose pliers a lot, and probably for stuff that you shouldn't, but okay. Lift that up just a little bit, bend that. So I have this. That, and then the last one, 2 of these. I like using the little seed beads because it just adds a little bit of more sparkle to the pieces. I bend it. Cut that. And go around. Okay. So now we have these. Let me put these away. Yeah, I'll put these away. So let's put these earrings together now. So we can do the dangle first. So this is the 2 middle ones. And then there's 1 on each side of that, and 1 on each side of this. So this one is going to be a green. So now we're going to open that little piece up, put that longer middle one on it, and then close it up. Okay, so we got that. Now we're going to take the orange ones. And put the shorter ones. And do this. And then the short one right here. So we have that. Then we're going to do this one. We'll take the long one. Open that up. Put that through. Put that there. We're going to open this. Put this. Like I said, you just want to make sure that the earrings aren't heavy. So chain is very light, and it can go a lot way with adding interest and definition to an earring without killing your earlobes. Okay, so now just gonna open this up and I'm gonna put these on. 1 and 2 and 3. And then close this up like that. So just kind of dangle in there. Then we've got this right here. We're going to open this bottom one. Put that on like this. And see, that's why I like my round nose pliers, so I can get in there and get that curve going on in there. This, and then open that up. I want that to be the front. We're going to put that on like that. And here we have one. How cute those are. Oh, I love them. And now we're going to put these together. Open this up. Just make sure you put the longest one in the middle. So no matter how it's laying, it'll still have some symmetry to it. Then we're going to put this on. These are such cute little fun fall earrings. Put that, lay that right there. And we want to make sure that the leaf is going up the right way. We attach it. Go that. That's going to be the front. And then we open this up. Okay, and here you have it. These adorable, lightweight leaf Unakite dangle earrings. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this. And if you were not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and then hit that notification bell. And when it drops down, hit the word all so you'll get notified of all of my videos when I publish them, so you never miss a video. I have so many more coming up. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for these gorgeous little earrings. And also follow me. I have the links to my Facebook, Instagram, Etsy, and my Pinterest below. And I'll leave a link to the bargain bead box as well. So if you're interested, you can go check them out. And I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day.